What's going on, guys? So today on the Jerry Springer Show, I'm going to show y'all how I put my stretch tabs on my Motovoxes. I have these tabs on my website, so I'll post it on the video as aquinfabs.com. But I'm going to be showing y'all how I do it. So what I usually do is, of course, you got to clean up where you're going to be welding. And then what I do is I measure from the inside of here to the inside of here. And once you measure that, you're going to make a tube. This is 5/8 tubing. And that tube, it fits in here, right? So that pretty much is going to be like, well, that's your wheel, right, with your spacers. So that's what I use. And then I bolt this to the stretch tabs. And then I put it on a flat table so that everything's nice and level, right? I'll show y'all right now. So here's the big spacer I cut out with the 5/8 tubing that I measured. And this is the original axle that you use from the Motovox. So you will use this axle with the spacer, which it's like if it's the wheel, you know. You snug it up, and now you have it on a flat table. Nice and flat. So once you have that snugged up, what you do is you get it, and you're gonna line it up on the rear, like this. So that now that you have it snugged flat though, so it's gonna be nice and even. And then you're gonna place it where you want it. So the higher you have the tabs, the lower the frame's gonna sit. And then the lower you weld it down here, the higher the frame's gonna sit. So now I have everything nice and tight and level. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it where I want it. And then y'all can see how it looks. Tabs are on and welded. Pull the spacer out, nice and straight. So yeah, that's how I do my Motovox stretch kits. These are 4-inch kits that I have on my website. But yeah, that's how I weld them on. Make sure everything's right and straight. I know a lot of the, probably have some people here, a lot of the guys be like, oh, my boyfriend can weld better. Well, I really don't care about your boyfriend or little Timmy. I mean, I'm not a welder. I don't weld for a living, you know. But yeah, guys, this is how they look. As you see, I angled them up so the frame will sit lower. And then, of course, later on, I'll be cutting these tabs off. All the extra tabs that are on here, they'll be coming off. Those brakes are coming off because now these tabs they're for the big brake setup. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all learned something today.